Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on the brand new 2025 Scout 195 Sports Fish that just arrived. Guys, beautiful boat. It's got the full white Scout whole side color. Guys, has the full T-top with the white powder coating, powered with the Yamaha 150 and trim tabs. Let's take a look at the inside. Guys, taking a look at the back, again, you'll see this boat is powered with the Yamaha 150. Perfect power for this boat. Has trim tabs, nice swim platform with telescoping ladder. Let's climb aboard. Welcome aboard, guys. Let's take a look at the bow of the Scout 195 Sports Fish. You'll see this boat has a full cushion package, perfect for laying out. Grab handles on the side, plenty of cup holders. 70-quart igloo cooler in the front, perfect for all your provisions. Let's take a look at the helm. Got your Yamaha digital gauges, compass, all your switches. Dash is left open, perfect for any instruments that you would like to add. Fusion stereo with 4 speakers. Taking a look at your lean post, you've got the live well, recirculating live well. 2 rod holders, seat back does lift out. Perfect for fishing. Drop it back in for cruising. And 2 jump seats in the back. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you for looking and have a great day.